Ever wonder why we hiccup? It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it suddenly spasms, pulling in air fast. That rush of air makes your vocal cords snap shut, and that's what creates the classic hic sound. That's what we include with your whole. But why does it happen? Hiccups can be triggered by eating too quickly, drinking fizzy drinks, sudden excitement, or even stress. And here's a fun fact. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from before we were born, when we were still developing in the womb. So the next time you hiccup, just smile. Your body's doing something weird and a little prehistoric. Follow for more quick science facts that'll change the way you see the world.